Alright, so this is our application, a PenPal app that simulates the traditional PenPal application. Just before we dive right ahead, I'd like to note that this application would have been developed using .NET framework, and it would require the installation of Microsoft SQL Server 2012 Express and Visual Studio Express 2013 so as to be able to view and manage this application. Now, first of all, this is our home page. This is the login, but you can't log in if you would have not first of all signed up. Good, so I'm going to go ahead and hit sign up. Alright, so I'm going to enter a username and alright, PINKEY PINK. Alright, just let's say Pink is the username, and I'm going to enter password. I'm going to confirm the password. I'm going to enter an email address. Alright. And I'm going to hit sign up. Alright, once I would have hit sign up, I'm now redirected because I now have a username and password, so I'm going to enter it. Alright. And I'm going to hit sign in. Alright, so I'm now able to sign in. I could customize this profile here, change the color a bit, so and give it a personal touch. First of all, I may want to go to profile, and I'm going to edit the profile here. I'm going to type a first name, say Onika, and a last name. Alright, so this is the female. I could edit the password and email address, but I wouldn't do so. For now, just hit update. Alright. I could enter a profile picture now. I'll just show any picture in here that I have. So I'm just gonna select this and upload profile image. I would have noticed there that the image is now uploaded. So the person or the user able to edit, create, and then edit the profile. Of course, they have the inbox, but this is a new user, so that person would not have inserted a would not have received a message as yet. But they could search for a person of a particular interest. So let's say the interest is art. Alright, I'm going to click search. Someone comes up here. We see John Doe. So maybe Pink would now like to send a message, an email to John Doe. So we're going to go ahead now and click on that. And we're going to message John Doe. I'm just going to say, hi, this is Pink from Guyana. Alright, and I'm gonna hit submit. So the message should now be sent to John Doe. So what we would quickly do is just log out from Pink's account and try to log in as John Doe. Well, now it's actually prompting me to log out. I'm going to do so. And I'm going to try to log in John Doe's account. Alright, I'm going to click sign in quickly. So I'm now in to John Doe's profile. I'm going to go right ahead and select inbox. Alright, so right away you see here message saying hi, this is Pink from Guyana. Alright, so again, you could just do some customization here of the application. Alright, so the app actually works, which is similar to the traditional PenPal, that is, whereby a mail is sent. Well, first of all, it's printed in some sort of media, and you look for the person of the particular interest, and then you send a relevant message to them based on the interest. Of course, a few more features could have been added, but because of time we were not able. But the major part of it we are able to complete. You could sign in, sign up, then sign in. You could edit your profile. You could customize your profile to some extent, choose your gender, and also you could send a message to the person, the pal that you might be trying to befriend. Alright, so that's basically it for our application. If there are any questions, please feel free to ask. But for now, that's it. Thank you very much.